In this video, we will show you how to prepare your iWalk so you can get started in no time. First, you'll have to install the correct steel bar. When your iMop has the L-shaped transport wheel holder, you must use the steel bar with one hole. When your iMop has the U-shaped transport wheel holder, you must use the steel bar with two holes. Both are provided in a separate bag with the correct tools. Remove the existing wheel axle and replace it with the dedicated axle. Then install the correct steel bar. Then install the trolley handles. These will make sure that you can maneuver the iWalk with ease. Insert the SIM card into the iWalk. This will enable data transmission and will allow you to get notifications on your phone and download cleaning reports. Then connect the iPower battery. Both iPower 9 and iPower 14 batteries are compatible. You can find the iWalk's serial number on the lid of the battery compartment. Then it's time to switch on the unit. After that, connect the controller battery into the handle module. Make sure this is also fully charged. Then hold the power button for a few seconds to turn on the handle module. When the light is constant blue, it is successfully connected with the iWalk. Slide the handle module onto the iMop. On the iMop, make sure the batteries are fully charged, the recovery tank is empty, and the solution tank is filled with a maximum of 4 liters of water. Put your iMop into cleaning position and choose the desired cleaning mode from the control panel. Then, push the lock button on the handle module. When the light is constant blue, the wheels are locked. Connect the iMop to the iWalk and lock the fix ring. Make sure to close it. When all this is done, your iWalk is ready to start cleaning.